In this video, we feature an amazing shipping container home listed for sale in Miami, Florida. The house is built using 3 shipping containers and it accommodates 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a big open-plan living room. This new and exclusive property is perfect for those who want to live in style with plenty of room to entertain guests with easy access to all the best that Miami has to offer. Welcome back. This amazing house is made out of 3 shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to create over 960 square feet of habitable space. The containers are elevated off the ground, away from moisture, sitting on a concrete foundation. Since the house is elevated above the ground, a small concrete staircase leads onto a sheltered front porch into the house. A white framed glass door opens into an open-plan living space. On the interior, sections of the steel container walls have been removed to open up the spaces, while some portions are retained for privacy and structural support. The expansive open-plan living area accommodates a snazzy galley kitchen fitted with stainless steel appliances, butcher block countertops, adequate storage cabinets with overhead shelving, and a kitchen island that can comfortably sit 3 at the rear end. The remaining space of the living area can comfortably accommodate a spacious lounge area and a dining. The lounge space is roomy enough to accommodate all your furniture needs. A small hallway from the living room leads to the bedrooms and the bathrooms at the rear of the building. The master bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate a double bed and a storage closet space. Joining the master bedroom is a master ensuite fitted with his and hers vanity sinks, a toilet, and a fully tiled walk-in shower cubicle. We have the 3rd bedroom, which has enough room to accommodate a queen bed or bunk beds depending on the need, and an adequately sized closet space. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look brighter and bigger, creating an illusion of large indoor spaces. The exterior design features large-scale graphic art, and it's no secret that this amazing house is made using shipping containers. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, painted in blue, which brings out the industrial charm of the house. The brightly colored exterior makes the building to stand out from the neighborhood. This amazing home is listed for sale at $350,000. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we feature weekly videos of amazing shipping container homes from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.